Hi everyone. So last video I said I would make a video about present perfect and past simple. This is that video, as it can be quite complicated and hard to understand. So I hope this explanation helps, and I hope you enjoy. Present perfect used to talk about a past action in general or across multiple points in time. A complete action is normally used when someone doesn't know if an event happened or not. Past simple used to talk about a past action at a specific time, a complete action also, and is normally used when someone does know if an event happened or was planned to happen. Firstly, a question. Why don't we say, I have been born? Present perfect is used when you don't know if an event happened or not. If you are alive, then you were born, so we don't use this tense because it's obvious. So here's an example of both tenses being used in the same conversation. Have you seen that new film? Yes, I've seen it. When did you see it? I saw it yesterday. In the first question, the person doesn't know if this event happened or not, so uses present perfect. Then, once he does know that it happened, he uses past simple to ask when. But this isn't the only thing that we need to think about. Present perfect is also used with these words: today, this week, this month, this year, and past simple is used with these words: today, yesterday, last week, last month, last year. Let me give you some examples with a timeline. Imagine that June 2019 is the present. Say, for example, we want to talk about this period. It would be this year. So an example: where have you been this year? Present perfect is fine here because we are using the word this and it's connected to the present. Next, let's use this highlighted month. As we are in June, this would be last month. As an example, where have you been last month? This is actually wrong. You can't use present perfect here because we are using the word last and it doesn't connect to the present. Instead, we need past simple, even though we are talking in general. Where did you go last month? Another example, this would be last year. Where have you been last year? Again, this is wrong for the same reason and should be, where did you go last year? And lastly, this period, which would be this month. What have you done this month? Present perfect is fine here. So present perfect has to be connected to the present. Next we have the phrase, have you ever? This simply means in your whole life. So throughout your whole life has this happened? Examples: have you ever been skydiving? Have you ever worked here? Now we have a weekly timeline to show multiple points in time. Let's say we just want to talk about Monday. Example with work. I didn't go to work on Monday. This is one specific day in the past, so we used past simple. But now we want to talk about the whole week. I haven't been to work this week. Here we use present perfect because it's across multiple days and we are using the word this week. You can sometimes use both. Take the last example. I haven't been to work this week. I didn't go to work this week. These are both correct. When saying this, you can use both, but you can't use both when saying last. Some more examples. Where has he gone? What has he done? Why has he done that? Who has done that? Where did he go? What did he do? Why did he do that? Who did that? These mean basically the same thing. The only difference is that this is specifying in general and this a specific time. Now let me show you the difference when asking questions. Have you been to London? This is asking if this has ever happened or not, because you don't know. Did you go to London? This is when asking if someone went or not at a specific time, and normally means that you knew that they were planning to go there. So I hope that explanation helped. If any of you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching.